Hey Janae, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, these call to actions are super good to have for your conversions. One thing that I would recommend is having some more content on this homepage. The reason is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7, looking through all the websites' content that they have on there, and they're looking for what's called keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then embedded in your content, you want keywords. And here is an example of a keyword, foundation repair Houston. And so when people search this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section. And it's really good that you guys are ranking here for this keyword because 30 to 40% of the business goes into the Google Map Pack section. And so you guys definitely want to stay ranking. If we scroll down here, the remainder of this 60 to 70% goes into this organic listing. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And let's see if you're here. I'm not seeing you all on this first page. 90% of people stay on the first page, so it's important to be ranking up as high as possible. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for this keyword. So I have Atlas plugged in here. They also have some good call to actions. It looks like it'd be really easy for you all to beat them out with content. But let's take a look at the back end of each website here. So I have Atlas plugged into Ahrefs. So these ratings here are pulled from Google data. So UR and DR, this is just the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So they have 34 and 17, which is coming from 1.79 thousand backlinks, coming from 249 referring domains. And so what a backlink is this one website linking to another one. And something to note here is that not all backlinks are created equal. Some backlinks are powerful and they will bring these numbers up, and some of them are spammy and they'll bring these numbers down. And so it is important to make sure you're getting good quality. And Atlas has 721 organic keywords on their website. So let's take a look at yours. You all have 35 and 17, coming from over 3,000 backlinks from 292 referring domains, and you all have 484 keywords on your website. And so you guys are doing really well with your rankings. You guys are the same, and then one up here. The thing is that they are still ranking above you with that one keyword, and so you'd want to make sure that you are having good quality backlinks as well as the keywords that you need on your website. But let's take a look at some of their keywords. Foundation repair Houston, 1.7 thousand people are searching for that every single month. 400 people, 250, 250, 250, 100. And so this list keeps going down. And so it's important to realize that there are a ton of people searching for what you all provide every single month. And so what I would recommend is making sure your Google business profile stays ranking for all the keywords that you want it to in that Google Map Pack section, as well as adding some content to your homepage and those keywords. And so if you ever need any help doing any of this, I'd be more than happy to help you. But I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.